Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious coconut flakes laddu. Take 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan, add cashew nuts 2 to 3 teaspoon. Cook them in medium flame for 2 minutes. Add coconut flakes 2 cups and then cook them in low flame for 5 minutes. Do not make the flame high or medium, otherwise it may burn. So keep it in low. Add condensed milk 1/4 cup and mix them in low flame for 3 minutes. Switch up the flame and mix it. So keep mixing for 2 to 3 minutes again and add some pinch of nutmeg powder or cardamom powder and mix it once. Okay, and when it is warm, take small portion in hand and make a ball shape and just roll it in coconut flakes and keep aside. Make such balls like this and your coconut flakes laddu is ready. This was very delicious. Do definitely try out this recipe. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.